Nose blackheads removal. Nose tip deep pore cleaning transformation, not the whole nose. Just one area, the most congested part, the nose tip, where pores are tighter, and buildup is denser. Today's treatment is A. Nose blackheads removal, focused on nose tip deep pore cleaning transformation. Every pore here will be cleared. Why the nose tip gets more blackheads? The nose tip has higher oil concentration, tightly packed pores, constant exposure to dirt. This makes it the perfect spot for buildup. The density problem, unlike other areas, the pores here are close together, so when buildup happens, it spreads across the surface quickly. Step 1. Surface cleaning. We start by removing surface oil. This prepares the nose tip for deeper work. Step 2. Focus steam. Steam is applied directly to the nose tip. The pores begin to open, softening the buildup. Step 3. Targeted extraction. Extraction begins on the nose tip. Each pore is pressed carefully. Blackheads start to release, one by one. Step 4. Dense area cleaning. Now the most congested section is targeted. Multiple pores are cleaned in a small area. This creates an intense and satisfying sequence. Step 5. Full tip refinement. All pores on the nose tip are cleared. The surface becomes smoother, cleaner, more even. Step 6. Skin calming. After extraction, the skin is calmed, redness reduces, and the area stabilizes. Final transformation. Before, dense blackheads. Clogged pores. After, clean nose tip. Smooth surface. A focused deep pore cleaning transformation. Final message. Sometimes, focusing on one area creates the biggest difference. If you enjoyed this nose tip blackheads removal, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more deep pore cleaning and satisfying skincare transformations, stay connected.